Hello, it's Jack from Yiwu China again. Today, on behalf of my colleague Kara, I'm going to show you the kitchenware and the cooking tools market here. My colleague Kara, she's a cooking talent. She's passionate about cooking. She can also help you buy cooking tools from China. You will have an idea of what's on offer here and how to buy from here, and also download some price lists at the end of this video. Here we go. There are total more than 1,000 vendors here in the market. Each of them can carry thousands of different products. So it's lots of choices here. Some of the vendors are factories, and some of them are distributors and wholesalers. New designs are updated very fast. Minimum order quantity can be as low as 1 carton with mixed designs. Most of products are in stock. If you buy some products here, you can receive from 20 to 40 days, even shipped by sea. It's the best if you can buy a full container, a mix of many different products. A small 20-feet container usually contains 300 to 400 boxes. It saves shipping costs, it is safe, and it's fast. Certificates like FDA and CE are not provided at most of the time. Buyers need to confirm this with suppliers before placing any orders. If these kind of certificates are required. Hello, that's all for today. If you can come to select the products on your own. We can help you with follow-up and shipping. If you cannot come, Carol can help you to show you around the market and select the products by a video call. Some price lists made by Carol can be downloaded by clicking the link in below comment section for you to have an idea of the price points here. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye for now.